friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to add the payment method in PayPal. So let's get started. At first, let's go to PayPal. For that, we need to search for PayPal in any browser. Now click on this first website over here. So now we need to log in, so tap on login over here. Now write your email address and password to log in. Now click on login. So now we are in PayPal interface. So to add the payment method, let's click on wallet over here. Now here's no payment method yet. So here we can see we have not added any of the payment methods yet. So let's click on link a card. Now you can add your debit or credit card here. After you are done adding card type, expiration date, security code and your billing address, click on link card. And if you already have this to add, you can simply add and continue the same method. So this is how you can add a payment method in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.